Welcome everyone. Today we're drawing a cute Christmas puppy. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the nose. We're going to draw an oval going all the way around and then back up. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's go to the center of the nose, draw the mouth coming down and up toward the left and then the right side. And we'll add the tongue in the middle, coming down and then up, and then add a fold in the middle. For the nose, we're going to move out to the side, draw two small circles for the eyes. And we'll fill those in black. Let's move up to the top and draw a curve for the head. We're going to go up and then down. Let's add the ears. We're going to go out, come around the bottom, and just pull that up beside the eye. And then we'll close off the head with another curve. Let's add some antlers on the left side of the ear. Curve this up, across, and then back down. Let's add two curves across the top, starting on the left, and then the right. Round out the top, come down about halfway. Let's add a bump on the ends, and come back down towards the top. Let's add a scarf, starting on the left side, coming down, across the middle, and then up. Now let's draw on the front paw, starting on the left side, come all the way around, and up on the inside. And I'll separate the paws with two lines on either side. Now I want to draw a straight line going across in behind the paws. We'll come down the side of the box. And we'll close off the bottom. Now let's add the ribbon, starting in the middle with two lines. And we'll add a ribbon going across in behind. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon Christmas puppy. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.